Hi, this is Jeff Dessart with Energy Smart Homes. We're here in Davidson, North Carolina today. It's late July and we're at a home built by JCB Urban here in Littlegate subdivision. We're here doing an Energy Star inspection for their certification. This is known as a thermal bypass inspection. We're here to inspect the thermal envelope, insulation and air barrier. Make sure it's all intact. I'll go ahead and point out some things they've done here to make this an Energy Star home. Start over here. We're on the second floor. Here's an interior bathtub. Note they wrapped the exterior wall with thermoply all the way around. Lots of times on construction there's no insulation behind the bathtub. Problem in a lot of homes we've seen, brand new build homes. Of course, they've done the foam seal on all the penetrations. There's plumbing penetrations, water, and some sanitary lines. They've plugged electrical lines going up through the top plate. If you don't do that, if you have open holes in your top plate, air from your attic can get down into the wall through those holes and fill up your interior walls, which aren't insulated with cold or warm air. So it's good they're filling these up. The exterior insulated with R13 all the way around, and they've sealed with caulk the perimeter. What makes up your air barrier and your insulation on the exterior walls, your thermal barriers? Not just, you got your exterior, which provides you protection against bulk moisture and wind and such. You've got the insulation in between, and you have drywall, which acts as the air barrier in contact with your insulation all the way up here. Here's their ceiling, R30. Attic's above this. So once they put on that drywall and mud it tight, they've got their air barrier in contact with their insulation. They did a good job on their ductwork. You can see the mastic here. They've sealed it to the framing, and we've been upstairs in the attic, checked their ductwork. All of it looks sealed very well with mastic, so tight. You know, your air that's coming out of your HVAC units, coming through the ducts and getting delivered to the house without leaking into the attic, without leaking into the structure. So, good job installing that. Once again, we're just looking at where they're foaming through penetrations, through the floor, through the ceiling, at the bathrooms. Right here, we've done a good job with also their ductwork as it goes through. When it penetrates the ceiling, you see they foamed completely around where these ducts penetrate up through the ceiling in there too. So nice tight air seal. Anyway, JCB Urban Homes in Littlegate. If you're looking for a good Energy Star home, it's a good place to start. Thanks.